The Doc is In is sponsored by Amada Senior Care.
7:25 and Fox 56 News Chief Medical Contributor Dr. Ryan Stanton is with us in studio.
This morning, his focus is on, of course, the upcoming election day and health care. How do they tie together?
Can you believe it's 2 weeks away from today? The day.
Feels like we've been talking about it for 12 years.
I know we're going to have a lot of TV time to fill, a lot of radio time that's going to be blank because who knows, we're going to find other advertisers because it's all ads all the time for political campaigns. So 2 weeks away, and yes, the healthcare aspect of this is incredibly important. It tends to be in the top list of voter interest, but not always the top. Economy tends to be number one, but it's integral that we make sure that healthcare is in the mix. In fact, 17 cents of every dollar spent in in the country goes towards healthcare. And of that, making sure that that money goes towards the actual provisions of care, those providing the care, the hospitals, the clinics, the physicians, the PAs, the NPs, the nurses, all those that are actually trying to administer that care as it takes place. Now, both candidates have mentioned that they have plans in order to help with the healthcare system and decrease the cost of the healthcare systems, but neither of which has actually given us a plan on how that's actually going to take place. There are some hints on some of their policies and ideas in the past of how that's going to take place, but nothing firm at this point on how it's going to happen. Unfortunately, we can't cut ourselves to success with regard to the president and our healthcare system, and so it's going to have to be with a redesign of the healthcare system. And coming up in about 30 minutes, we're going to talk about some of the things that need to be focused on in ways that from the inside, I can see that we can actually make progress in improving care while saving costs in the system.
Interesting. Nice touching on a topic that I don't feel like's gotten as much attention, obviously, as a lot of the other issues that are heading into this election. So
17 cents of every single dollar.
It's always great to hear from a doc.
There's a lot of coin in there. A lot of coin.
We'll check in with you in about 30 minutes, Doc. Thanks so much. We'll be right back with another half hour, actually 90 minutes of news after the break.